This is the digital product people are using to make an extra $5,000 a month. You don't need a big audience. You don't need sales experience. Just one simple product that can bring in daily income. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create it, list it, and promote it. The product is a simple digital meal planner, something that busy people are always looking for. And it's easy to create using free tools. Let me show you how I did it using Canva and AI so you could do the same thing too. So if you're not already on Canva, make sure you head on straight over to Canva. Then after that, you want to go to right here in the middle, right where it says search millions of templates. And then you're going to want to type in mail planner. So just type in mail planner. And just like that, Canva has thousands of different templates that you can customize. So just look around for which one you like. I'm going to pick this one. This one looks nice. I like this one. So with this being said, these are also printables too. So I'm going to teach you how you're going to be able to monetize that later in the video. So stick around for that too. But you can customize these templates. You can print them out. You could sell them digitally. You could do whatever you want with these mail planners. So you're going to click on customize template. So the thing I love about Canva is that Canva does 90% of the work for you. So you already have the template. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a screenshot. And you're probably wondering, why do I need to take a screenshot? I'm going to tell you why in a second. So take a screenshot. Boom. Now you got it clipped. Now that you have this screenshot, you want to head over to ChatGPT. Okay. Now that we're in ChatGPT, we're going to type this in. So first what we're going to do is we're going to paste the screenshot. So if you took a screenshot, you should already had it copied and pasted. So if you guys don't know how to take a screenshot and how I did it, what I did was I pressed print screen. It should be like next to the keys where it says F11, F12. And then you press print screen and you just drag and select which part you want to take a screenshot of. Then after that, I just press Control V and then pasted it into ChatGPT. So now that we're in ChatGPT, here's the sauce part. So now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna be like, ChatGPT, fill out this meal planner for me. So boom, just like that, ChatGPT made it just for us. So you see how it says all these sections right here. So now it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, what you're going to want to do is you're just going to just copy and paste. So I'll show you an example right here. I just copy it right here. I go back. I'm going to zoom in. Then I'm going to do paste, allow. And then you could just drag it up just like this. See, Canva already automatically selected it as the same color and font because the template already has the set settings. That's why I love Canva, because you don't have to do a lot of the work. It already has a lot of the stuff set for you. So you do that for another one too. And you can also customize the font. I'm going to teach you how to do that real quick too. So when you just paste it, you could customize it too. So you drag it up. This is for Tuesday. And then you could customize this. This is how you increase the font, like this. I'm going to leave it how it was because it fits perfectly. And if you want to change the font, you could do this. That looks ugly, but I'm going to keep it to this. But you get the point though. You could play around with it and change it to the setting that you want to do. So this is what the finished product looks like when it's done. So after you're done taking all that information from ChatGPT and copying and pasting it into your mail planner, it's going to look something like this. So this looks amazing, looks legit, and this is something that we can sell. So after we're done, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to share, and then you're going to want to hit download, and then do a PDF. You're going to make sure it's a PDF, and then hit download. And there you have it. Now we have our digital product made and ready to sell. So now I'm going to teach you how to list it. So to list your product to start making sales, you want to head over to Gumroad. It's completely free. They don't charge any upfront fees, and they only charge a 10% fee after you make a sale. So after we're on the page, you want to go to the products page. It's right here. Then you're going to want to click on new product, and this is where we get to name our product. So for example, I'll name it Mail Planner PDF, right? And then this is where you could price your product. So you could price it, I say you could price this anywhere from, let's do like $5 to $27. So I'll make it $17. Let's make this $17. That's a good range for this. Then we're gonna hit next. And now this is the juicy part. So this is your product description. This is what people are going to see and read. This is very important. You want to make sure you have a good product description. So I'm going to tell you how you can make a perfect product description for your product to increase sales. So it's very simple. So all I did was I just went back to ChatGPT, and this is the same page that I had it write me the stuff for the mail planner, so it already knows what I'm talking about. And all I did was write me a product description for Gumroad. So now all I have to do is just copy this, and then boom, copy it, and then just paste it. And then you can edit it if you want to your liking. And then you could add a cover image. So I'm not making a cover image right now, but if you wanted to make a cover image, all you have to do is just go to Canva and design one. Like I showed you previously, Canva has thousands of different templates. So you could just pick one and customize the text a little bit, and then, slap whatever you want to slap on it, download it, and then upload your image. But let's get to the juicy part though. Let's get to the actual upload your content. This is how people are actually going to be able to buy it. So you want to go to content, and then you want to click right here where it says upload files, right? So click right here. So remember I told you to save it as a PDF in Canva? Remember, that was very important. This is it right here, the PDF we saved. So boom, just like that, we have our digital product. So you could just save it, save changes, publish it, continue. And now it's published. And now this is the URL. This is the link that you're going to share with people so you can sell your product. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to actually get traffic and promote the product. So as you guys can see here, this is an Instagram theme page. It's called National Black Guide. And the reason why this is so powerful is because people are posting their content to get views to promote their products. A lot of the reels are just people posting their business and getting a shit ton of views from it. So you could do it on pages like this, pages that are like more general and like it's more like a community. These are good pages to do it off too. And then you got pages like this who are more, niche down. These work too. So as you can see on the top, it says shout out / biz DM us. So a lot of these pages will say it in their bio. So you can negotiate with these people and work up a deal. These people are just normal people and they want to make deals too. So you can negotiate with them. And this way is better than using Facebook ads, because Facebook ads is a lot of money. But I'm actually going to walk them through a demonstration of how you can actually hit these people up in the DMs and, negotiate with them. So I'm going to show that to you on my phone. So I'm going to pop up my screen real quick. Okay, it's simple. So now I'm on my phone on Instagram. So all you're going to want to do is just go to message, and then you're just going to be like, how much for a promo? And just, you want to hit up multiple different pages just like this. Like you don't just want to rely on one page. So just I would say like try to message like 10 to 20 pages. Find 10 to 20 pages just like this and just message them for promo and negotiate with these people. You could be paying up to like $50 to $100 for a promo to get like 200,000 views. And that's a lot of traffic to your digital product. $50 for 200,000 views. Very powerful. That's how I was able to get a lot of my views on my credit page. So while we're actually waiting for the person to hit us back up, we actually want to create some content. So we can make faces videos. The best method for you to do is look at other creators in like this niche and look at what posts they're doing and just recreate their videos. See the ones that got the most views and recreate them in your own version. And then you're just gonna give that to the person to post, because there's a lot of content on Instagram that's already been redone and repurposed. So just use that same content, recreate it, maybe add your logo, and then hit the promo people up and have them post that promo and link it to your Gumroad link. And that's how you're going to start driving in sales to your digital product. But if you want to see how 9-to-5 workers are making extra money online, make sure to check out this video right here. I'm out though. Peace.